In the next direct 20 minutes, we'll present how we did our migration in Europcar to Jahia. We'll see how we did this migration, what was the new feature we created in Jahia to make it possible. We'll see also the next challenge we are going to deal with in the next few months. But first of all, we're going to talk a little bit of Europcar. So, what is Europcar? Do you know Europcar? Do you know us? I guess you know us because you saw our website homepage on Ellie's presentation this morning. So, but what is Europcar for you? In Europcar, we have cool commercials. Yeah. Maybe you heard about, you must have heard about the team Europcar, if you like sports or especially cycling. You know Thomas Voeckler, he was maillot jaune in Tour de France 2 years ago. So now we're getting closer. So now let me introduce you Europcar. Almost. Europcar is a car rental company, and it's not, as the name couldn't suggest, it's not Europ cars, as we are located all over in the world. We are a leader in Europe. We have strong partnerships, like with EasyJet. In Europcar, as Jean said this morning, we do care about our customer. Gina was an amazing presentation this morning, by the way. We take care of our customers on our websites, but also in one of our stations, even if you don't have a driving license. That doesn't matter. In these stations, we have different kind of services, but like, for instance, the Ready service, which is kind of Disney's FastPass, but for car rental, and very appreciated by our customers. All these stations are located all over the world. Just like I said, we are in more than 140 countries with corporate countries and with some in our network of several franchisees. Obviously, we have vehicles. We have very small vehicles to luxury ones like this one. We have motorbikes. We also rent trucks, anything we want. We have very great choice. Okay, so that's for the company. So what was our situation before we moved to Jahia? We just go back to 2012. We're in the IT department in e-commerce, and we maintain 15 websites in 21 languages with an internal CMS used by our users to manage the contents, and also business rules, which is very appreciated by our users. But on the counterpart, this CMS is very difficult to maintain. It's not scalable. Its service is very often down, and there's low robustness. So with so many qualities in just only one application, we decided to change it. And we started a study to change our CMS, but not also. We decided to do a big bang change and change all the websites, the design of the websites, change all the front end. And we got a list of CMS from the market, but first of all, we had to answer just one question because we knew what we had, but we wanted to know what we need. And so, as a Scrum addict, I decided to represent our main requirements as a Scrum board, because in Europcar, IT and business works end-to-end all together. We use Scrum methodology. So what was our requirements? Our managers wanted our CMS users to be guided during their creating or adding content in the CMS, because to avoid users' errors. We also wanted to make it easy for our users to add quickly and easily new content on the website to make the websites more alive for our customers. We, as the IT department, we wanted something more robust, more easy to maintain, more secure. And we all agreed that we wanted to shorten the migration period in order to minimize the freeze and the loss of business. So with all these requirements, in the study we had before, it was pretty easy to choose Jahia. I think the decision was pretty quick. And that's what we did. We moved to Jahia in April, just last year in April 2014. The 15 websites in only 2 days, so that's pretty fast and intense. The migration period took a year long, and that's pretty long because we had lots of things to do. We had to develop some dedicated component related to the car rental business for our customers, for our users to be guided during their contribution process. Like for promotions, we will talk of this a little bit later. We also use the EasyGate, the mashup techniques to build our pages getting from contents from Jahia and from application modules. And we're going to see that just right now. So what is the mashup techniques? It's very simple. We have EasyGate, which is a module that aggregates all the contents coming from Jahia and contributed by our users, and from the booking pod, which is an application allowing our users, our customers, to make their reservation on the websites. And all these contents are mixed together in a page and rendered to our customers. So this is how it looks. This is the Europcar.com homepage. So it's very classic. You have top menu header. You have some fields where you can put your locations, your dates, and start your reservation process. You have promotions, and very, very important parts for us. So I'm going to talk of this later. And footer that doesn't appear on the screen. So all these elements are different components coming from Jahia and coming from the applications, just like the booking pod, just as I said. Booking pod is integrated into the page by EasyGate tags to create this page. And as you see, it's seamless for our customers because all the layout and the display of the page is just, it looks great, I think. So I said the migration period was pretty long because we had to guide our users, and we had to guide our users. For these matters, we created more than 260 components in Jahia related to the car rental business, and in order to help them contributing their websites and to ensure that even if the websites have different content, the layout and the look and feel of the website is the same. So promotions. Promotions is one of these components in Jahia we worked on. It's very important for us. So let's see how it works. So this is the Jahia pages where you can work on a promotion. So you have on the left a list of existing promotions, and on the right you have different tabs above. In the first tab, the general information tab, you can you can enter all the details of your promotions, copying the exact same data the marketing team set up in the database. And it's very easy for our customers to work on the promotions using this tool because this very quick and they can adapt the website contents very easily with that. You can change the dates, you can change the vehicles. Right there, you can change the country or the stations. The promotion applies. So, but how does it look like for our customers? This is what we call a promotion landing page. It's kind of a home page. It's have the same layout, the same design, but the content of this page is associated to the promotion we're experiencing. So we have also a new booking pod to make your reservation, and all kind of information using for our customers to be guided into their journey. Another function we worked on and we delivered in January is for pages generation. Pages generation is in Jahia to help our customers looking in search engine to make a reservation process. So we have pages automatically generated with station details, countries, regions, everything our customers need to prepare and do their booking. All these pages are generated using an API, which connects to location referential. And this is very appreciated by our customers and do a lot of business. So what are the next steps for Europcar in the next few months with Jahia? First of all, we will soon be able to integrate our partners' layouts into our websites with like EasyJet. So customers from EasyJet will soon be able to benefit from exactly the same behavior, the same promotions, the same skills in Europcar.com website than if they were on Europcar sites, exactly. And we can do that using Jahia. We also soon be able to import social media in our website, but not basic social media, as adding posts or something like that, but just more going to the web and get Europcar posts on Facebook or Twitter and embed it in our page. And last but not least, probably one of my favorites, we started a study to work on the content management by device because we wanted our customer to get the best user experience depending on their device they're using to browse our websites. And with a very helpful workshop with Jahia last week about this subject, and their help was very appreciated on this. And I can't wait to start this work. So this presentation is over. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, please don't ask now. Thank you. We will be able during the next 2 days with some of my teams to answer your question, and I will be pleased to discuss and to give you more further information about what just summarized in these few slides. So thank you very much.
Thank you.